Dear students, today we would like to discuss about the concept of controllability and observability. Controllability, the definition of controllability is a system is said to be completely controllable if it is possible to transfer the state of the system from initial state to any other required state. Controllability is defined, a system is said to be completely controllable if it is possible to transfer the state of the system from initial state to any other required state. Kalman test for controllability. A system is said to be completely controllable if the determinant of the following matrix is not equal to 0. Or the rank of the following matrix is n, where n is the order of the matrix A. Matrix S equal to B, AB, A square B, and so on to a to the power of n minus 1 into B. If determinant of S is not equal to 0, then the system is said to be controllable. If determinant of S is equal to 0, then the system is said to be not controllable. A problem regarding to this. A system is described by the following state model. Check the system for controllability. The matrix A is given as 1, 1, 0, minus 1. Matrix B equal to 1, 0. The solution of it. Order of the matrix is 2. Matrix S is, we need to form it as B, AB. If it is there, A square B. If it is our 3 by 3 matrix, then we need to consider A square B also. So since the matrix A is out of the matrix is 2 by 2, matrix S can be written as B, AB. B is 1, 0. AB is 1, 0. Determinant of S is equal to 0, so the system is not controllable. R of S, rank of S is equal to 1, which is not equal to n. Check the system for controllability. Matrix A is given as minus 2, 0, 0, 1. Matrix B equal to 1, 1. The order of the matrix is 2 by 2. The matrix S is B, AB, 1, minus 2, 1, minus 1. Determinant of S is not equal to 0. So it is controllable. The system is said to be controllability. The rank of S equal to 2. So that equivalent to order of the matrix n. This is about the controllability. The observability. A system is said to be completely observable if it is possible to determine the initial state of the system by observing the output by a finite interval of time. For observability, the Kalman test for observability. A system is said to be completely observable if the determinant of the following is equal to 0. The rank K of the matrix is equal to n. Observability matrix Q equal to C transpose A transpose C transpose AT whole square C transpose A transpose whole square C transpose, and so on to A transpose whole power n minus 1 into C transpose. If determinant of Q is not equal to 0, then the system is observable. If the determinant of Q equal to 0, then the system is not observable. A system is described by the following state model. Check for the controllability and observability. Matrix A is given as 0, 1, minus 2, minus 3. Matrix B equal to 0, 1. Matrix C equal to 1, 1. Matrix D equal to 0. So For controllability, matrix S equal to 0, 1, minus 3. The determinant of matrix S is not equal to 0. So the system is controllable. Matrix A transpose C transpose equal to 0, minus 2, 1, minus 3, 1, 1. For observability, matrix Q equal to C transpose A transpose C transpose 1, minus 2, 1, minus 2. The determinant of Q equal to 0, so the system is not observable. This is the concept of observability and controllability. The next problem is the polar plot. Previous question papers questions. The polar plot of a system when k equal to 1 is shown in figure. The open loop system is stable. Determine the range of k for the system to be stable by using Nyquist criterion. This is the polar plot they have given in the problem. For Nyquist stability criteria, this is the plot. Here, for 8k should be less than 1, k should be less than 1 by 8. For 2k should be less than 1, k should be less than 1 by 2. 5k should be greater than 1, k should be greater than 1 by 5. So the k value should lie between 1 by 5 to 1 by 2 and k should be less than 1 by 8 for the system to be stable. See here, if you consider this point, number of encirclement equal to 0. If you consider this point, the number of encirclements equal to 2. If you consider this point, the number of encirclement equal to 0. And if you consider this point, number of encirclement equal to 2. For this n equal to 0, then the system is said to be stable. For n equal to 2, the system is said to be unstable. For n equal to 2, the system is said to be unstable. N equal to 0, the system is said to be stable. This is about unit 5. If you are having any doubt, please you can mail me or you can contact me. Thank you.